y'all just call the landlord. Hey, Diamond.
It ain't going in there.
Finance, you making it worse.
What?
That's all I wanted to say. You about to shatter that whole glass door. You're making it worse.
Try hitting on this little edge piece right there and see if you can go around that.
Just making new holes.
Don't pour a top piece out.
Yeah. Harder.
Finesse, just leave it and call the landlord. Just leave it propped.
Maybe you can try putting it back in the regular hose and then get the hammer to get on the bed.
It's over with. I can't do it. Fuck it.
Okay, I give it to you. That was good effort. That was good effort. You pay rent, so that's what
Bro,
you
what are
pay
you
rent
doing? Just
for.
chill. Leave it
Just
alone,
go
bro.
ahead
You
on
can't
and
leave
call
it
the
alone, brother.
landlord at
Leave it
this
alone.
point.
Better just close
At
it back. Just
yeah,
close it back. Don't even worry
at
about
this
it.
point, just go ahead on and call the landlord. That's what you pay rent for. That's what you pay rent for. But that was a good effort. That was a good effort. But your ass better start taking out that damn trash.
Ain't no trash in here. Shut the fuck up, my
But
nigga.
she was about to take out the trash. That's why she broke the damn door, because she was
She
taking out
wasn't
the damn
taking out no
trash.
trash. She was sweeping the floor. What the fuck is y'all talking about,
Oh,
my
so she
nigga?
was sweeping the trash out
Your
the
dumbass
door.
head somewhere, bro.
You troll. You a troll. Why?
Hell
This
no.
is
Them
university.
stupid
I'm
ass.
trolling.
Finesse
I
going
love
off
you,
on
Finesse.
y'all.
I'ma still fuck with you,
Finesse,
nigga.
you usually don't go off on them like that. You going off on them now.
I think we can fix this ourselves. What you need to do is take down that door first with the screwdriver, and then fix the frame, and then put the door back on the hinges, and it should go on perfectly fine. It's simple.
You got the perfect plan.
Yeah, we got the
It's simple,
screwdriver.
huh?
Yeah, it's not hard to fix a door frame or whatever. Whatever. It ain't hard. I think
Anyway,
it's in
make the
the way.
teamwork. Y'all put y'all minds together, Finesse. No, nobody can tell y'all nothing. You and Diamond, both of y'all smart.
Bro, all you have to do is where the holes are already. You know where the screws or the nails. There's really screws. Where they're at is stripped out. That's the problem. Just go get longer screws, bro, and screw the longer screws in there, and the problem is solved.
I got you.
Uh,
All right, bro. All right.
I don't think you can take the hedges out. You have to have them hedges in there with screws. Yeah.
My
But
phone.
that's love. That's not y'all job to do. That's literally y'all your landlord's job to do. That's what y'all pay her rent for real, for real.
Yeah, that is true for the landlord.
You don't think it'd just be easier if we just took the door off? We ain't gotta take the hinges off. Just
Do what?
take the door off the thing where the frame is attached to it on the door, and then fix the frame.
It's nailed at the top wrong, so the bottom's sticking out.
That's what I'm saying though. We could fix the frame without the door in the way.
Y'all, the landlord is going to charge them if it was their fault. If they did it, they gonna charge them for the repair. So it's better if they fix it themselves because some landlords are petty and they will make you pay for it. So yeah. All right, back to my shower. Bye.
Back to her shower.
It's normal wear and tear. It's not
Oh, phone go.
physical damage that they done. It's normal wear and tear. She didn't do anything physical to the door to
Exactly.
dislodge it. So therefore,
Common
call the
sense.
landlord and the landlord will fix it or send somebody out to fix it or whatever. It's not their fault.
Okay, so yeah, in that case, if you guys didn't cause damage, then yeah, contact your landlord. Period.
Unless you look irritated. Was it y'all fault though? Yeah.
Girl, I wish she wash her ass and stay out the box.
Diamond. Girl, my ass is clean. It's called no smell gang. You nasty pussy ass bitch.
Oh, and I'm sick of your old ass too, bitch. I wasn't talking to you.
And I'm sick of your young ass too, bitch. I'm talking to you though.
Okay, not on no bullshit right now. Not on no bullshit. But y'all ready for the hurricane? And y'all from the West Coast. Now you need to stock up on a couple of things, waters. You need to stock up on a couple of shit. Especially if y'all in the path of the hurricane. All right. So just stock up water, tissue. You don't know, lights might go out. Just stock up on y'all some shit, food and all that stuff. All right. Finesse, don't act like that. Damn.
Yeah, I use all of my senses, fully indulged. I'm trying to stack up the cheese, and my pockets are swollen, straight off for locusts. But I blossom like a lotus flower, and my beans doing 80 hours. Late night, watch it spin off the power. Rather do the know who don't really fuck the loudest, or really fuck the cowards. It's a boss crew, to OT winning, making them boss moves.